Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Infinity Fuze 100 portable wireless speakers. You will find a lot of information about the speakers on the box itself. On the right side it mentions that it is waterproof. The speaker is IPX certified, making it water, sweat and dust proof. At the back there is some more info. This speaker has audio playback of 9 hours and you can also make hands-free calls. Now let's open it up. Right when you open the top of the box, you will notice that Harman Kardon written at the top. Harman Kardon, as we all know, is the parent company of Infinity and also JBL. Now back to the box. Right at the top is a micro USB charging cable. There is also a braided cable. This is what you will use to carry the speakers around. You can tie the speaker to this cable and then dangle it from any convenient location. Now let's take a look at the speaker. There you go. This is a very compact and rugged looking speaker. The Fuze 100 is IPX7 certified and boasts of a patented rugged fabric that is designed to keep the speakers safe. The integrated controls and power buttons are at the top, as is a tiny bar to tie the cable. It is quite lightweight, makes sense since this speaker was made to be portable. Finally, there is also a user manual and warranty card as expected. And that's all you will find inside the box containing the Infinity Fuze 100 portable wireless speaker. Thank you for watching.